Here we have breaking headlines for the 1st of January 2014. We have a man in this picture. Yes, it's surprising. Yep, it's a transgender. A man who turned into a woman in 2007 was bolted by this stag below. Nature versus nature. What did he spot for the stag to do this? Is the question that arises. What do you think? This is a professor from Cambridge University by the name of Kate Stone, 30, a research engineer at the University of Cambridge. But previously, he was a man. Dr. Stone, who is transgender and became a woman in 2007, was in a serious but stable condition in hospital last night. What do you think?